My name is James Cassem. I work for Curran Contracting. I am the asset director here at Curran. We do large mass excavation, site work, asphalt paving, and road construction. 1,200 yellow iron assets out on the roads, moving every day, out on the job sites, moving dirt, moving asphalt, paving roads. The name of the game is keep everything moving. Everything's about uptime, no downtime. Here at Curran, we're very innovative, really invested in continuous improvement. So in our asphalt production, in our dryer, we dry our aggregate. We're producing between 300 and 450 tons an hour. At some points in our drum, we see shell temperatures that are up to 650 degrees. We need a product that can stand up to the heat and take the abuse of the long days and the long season. We were having an issue where flights were rolling over, the buckets were rolling over from the heat, until I started talking to Jerry at Ecco Fab about our problems. And then he had mentioned that they have a high temperature solution.
One is a factory cup from the manufacturer that started out as 1/4-inch material, and in 6 years, it's wore down, which means it's lost almost 1/8 of an inch, plus it's almost wore through the end here. This cup here is 6 years old, made out of Hardox. It's had the same amount of tonnage, same amount of years. As you can see, it almost looks brand new. The corners are still sharp.
Not all steel is the same. This Hardox material is what makes them last longer.
Designed to take 950 plus degrees. They could actually be cherry red and still wear, where the normal material that's AR material that's used by manufacturers is only good to 375 degrees.
We ran them for a year. We ran 250,000 tons across them, and we had no wear at all. Nothing showed as much benefit as the Hardox product that we're using currently. The dollar amount that these flights saved, in labor alone, we're probably saving $10,000 a year in labor just changing flights. What started as 5 units, I think we're up to 60 right now. And this Hardox high temperature material has literally given us that competitive edge. There's no regrets with Hardox. I would make that decision 1,000 times over. It's the best product on the market.